guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're new, I am so glad that you clicked on today's video because this is the first of my clean and decorate for Christmas, and I am so excited that I have finally started decorating. Actually, at this point I am almost finished, but not quite there. Today I am sharing with you guys my clean and decorate with me of my kids' rooms, and I really just loved, especially this year, how my daughter's room turned out and how her tree turned out. It was just really creative and fun, and I was just so thrilled with it. So I cannot wait to share all of that with you. If you love this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, click that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell to all notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And also be sure to stop down in the comments and say hi. I love saying hi to you guys. I love seeing who has been here and just getting to chat with you guys. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and keep going right into this video. You can see here that I am taking out some books from here. These are my daughter and my son's seasonal books. I mostly keep them in my daughter's room just because she has that display shelf. So I like to put them out there for them just so we could read them throughout the season. So I'm just going through everything. I'm going to put some of these in a different spot. Those are her chapter books. I don't want to put them away, so I'll probably end up putting them on one of her little cubbies, in one of her little cubby shelves. So last year during that after Christmas like clearance sale where everybody's trying to get rid of their Christmas decor, I bought this white tree for my daughter, and I did buy it with the intention of just changing up her decor for this year. We were thinking more of a kind of like a candy theme, and I just thought the white would go better in her room and very girly and everything. So I love that we got the white tree. I didn't, however, find a ton of candy decorations last year. By the time I had gotten to Walmart, everything was pretty much already gone. I didn't get there early enough, so I picked up what I did find then, and it was these. You can see these little like popsicle and candy looking sprigs, and I thought these were so cute, so I did get all of the ones that I could find when I was shopping last year. And I got pink, I got purple, I think I got like a teal kind of color, and I didn't find them all at once as I found more in my bucket. I don't know how I had put them away, but I started adding them. I also found those pink little flowers. I believe I had found a purple one. And then we found these ornaments last year that I knew I wanted to add. What we did not think about though was adding these bows. This was like a last minute thing. And so we thought it would be a really cute idea to add all of her JoJo bows, or at least a couple of the ones that would look really good on the tree. So she picked out some of her favorite ones, and we went ahead and we added it to the tree. And I thought it was the cutest thing because you saw that we added pink lights, and I love how the pink lights turned out on her tree. I think it really just brings it all together. We bought those this year. that was something that we added at the last minute. Usually I do multicolored lights, and I was just trying to go for something different with her tree, and it ended up really working well because she's so much like more girly right now. She's into JoJo Siwa, and she's just into all the glam and you know, sparkle and everything. And you can see, I will show you guys later on in the video, but so she thought it would be a great idea to add as her topper her birthday bow that lights up, and I thought that was the cutest thing. So she wants to, when she turns on her tree, she wants to just turn the whole thing on. It looks so adorable. Then we went ahead and finished off the little dresser area. That Letters to Santa mail box we bought last year, and I want to say I got it at Joann's last year. I thought it was so cute. Her garland I had from last year already, and I love that garland. I wish I had more of it. And then this little Merry Christmas sign I got at the Target dollar spot last year, but I hadn't used it in any of the rooms last year or anywhere, so this is the first time that I'm using it. And I don't normally put a little sign up in her room like this, but I thought it would go really cute, just tie in with all of her colors and everything.
What he's thinking when he'd rather spend his Christmas holiday with someone else. I guess he stopped thinking about me. Yeah.
So I had vacuumed the floor first before I started giving the carpet a deep clean, and I did do this. It's been since, I think since March when I first bought the deep cleaner. That I gave her floor a really good one. Like, I did a very detailed clean in her room. But when I decorate for Christmas, I like to have everything super clean, and so I just wanted to give the floor a once over with this and get it nice and clean.
He missed out on love, and that's for sure. He ain't ringing my bells no more.
I love how her room turned out. Really, it was just a few touches of decor here and there, but it all looks so girly, and it is so her personality. I think honestly I'm enjoying it more than she is. You know, when you've done something, you just kind of like to admire your work. So I love when her lights are on and seeing that pink and all her pretty little bows in there. It's just something that has turned out so cute, and I am in love with this tree.
And I'm not there. I don't know what you want now, but I don't care. Oh, you ain't ringing my bells no more. Oh, you miss out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells no more. You miss out on love, and that's for sure. You ain't ringing my bells. No. You ain't ringing my bells no more. He missed out on love, and that's for sure.
So this year I took what was my daughter's tree last year and used it for my son's room. which is also the playroom right now. And so I wanted to just keep this a little bit simple. And honestly, I feel like it's harder to do things for boys than it is for girls. For girls, I feel like you can go all girly and you can just be so much more creative. Yeah, I'm still trying to get the hang of it for boys. So I just automatically go to being really, I'm thinking that next year, maybe because he does like the Grinch movie, maybe I'll find some stuff to maybe like make him a little Grinch tree. So for now, I did red and green and white and just did a very traditional colors since there are multicolored lights on this tree, and we kept it pretty simple. I did think that it was fun that he was excited to help this year, and he was so excited about doing things on his own little tree by himself, so that was fun to see. Now, normally this dresser top area is where I would have put his tiny little tinsel tree that I had last year. I had a little silver tinsel tree that I decorated for him, but it was a very small tree, and so the tree that I am working with now, because his dresser is tall and not long like my daughter's, it just did not look right all the way up there. So I went ahead and put it on the floor, and honestly guys, as soon as I did that, I was like, I'm gonna regret this, because this is where they play. And he did have a day where he got really upset and he took all the ornaments off of it. And so I told him if he was going to do that, then I had to take it out. And he was like, no, he wanted his trees, so he hasn't touched them again. So hopefully it'll be okay and he can deal with the tree being here. Now, this time around, there was a reason for me using the deep cleaner in the carpet here, and that was just because my son had an accident, and I really wanted to go ahead and make sure that the carpet was clean. Now, I didn't get too many shots of me decorating in here just because it was a little bit more difficult. He was in this room when I first started, so I went ahead and just decorated and show you guys here how everything turned out. I ended up hanging a banner here that I did put in his room last year, and this was another one that I had gotten at the Target dollar spot, but this was like 3 years ago. And so I used this dresser top here to just put a few of his little stuffed animals, his Christmas stuffed animals, and a few decor pieces here, and I think it just turned out really cute for him.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas.
I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys got some inspiration or some ideas to decorate your kids' rooms for Christmas. Maybe you've never done it and you've thought about doing it. And honestly, guys, when I first did my daughter's bedroom, I just used what I had, and it was actually a tree that I used to use in my old office and a few ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and that was it. And it's really the thought that you put into it. It's what makes it special. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless, guys.